Are you a fan of sushi like Mr. Pink? You've come to the right place because in today's episode, we're going to feature this delicious classic Japanese dish, sushi. Although it's not your typical sushi because these recipes are, you've guessed it, vegan. If you think these will contain complicated ingredients, actually, no. Why would it be difficult? It's vegan! As we've stated in our other videos, going vegan is mainly about going back to the basics. Veggies, fruits, grains, the basic stuff. Minus animal products and highly processed foods. So, without further ado, let's get on with Vegan Diet. How to make vegan sushi with Mr. Pink from Olives for Dinner.
Hi there! Looking for something fun and healthy? Come and be in your best shape with us. Welcome to Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, where we go on our fitness journey one step at a time. I am Mrs. Blue, here to deliver another cooking episode featuring Mr. Pink's favorite vegan sushi recipes. That guy really loves Japanese cuisine, you know what I mean? Every time he eats, he'd bow his head with closed hands and say, "Itadakimasu." I like him, but sometimes he gets pretty weird. Before we begin, if you are new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to know more about vegan and low-calorie recipes. Anyway, ready to know what recipes I have for you? Let's get started. Number 1. Vegan Dynamite Rolls. Given that we're preparing sushi, there's a lot of preparation needed. So we'll group our ingredients into sushi rice, king oyster mushroom, dynamite sauce, and assembly. So bear with me, okay? To prepare the sushi rice, you need 1 cup of sushi rice, 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. On the other hand, here's what you'll need for the king oyster mushroom. 2 cups diced king oyster mushrooms, sliced into scallop-sized rounds. Discard the tops. Slice each round into 4 to 6 pieces. Soak in warm water for about 20 minutes. Half a cup of water, whisked with 1 tablespoon energy egg replacer. 1 cup cornstarch, but you can add more if needed. And plenty of canola, vegetable, or grapeseed oil. For the dynamite sauce, you need half a cup of vegan mayo, but Mr. Pink prefers Vegenaise, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha to taste. Finally, for the assembly part, you need 4 toasted nori sheets, 4 tablespoons black sesame seeds, which is optional, 1 avocado sliced, and chopped scallions to garnish. Let's start off with the sushi rice. Add rice and water into a rice cooker and cook it based on the manufacturer's instructions. Once cooked, it's time to season it with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Then let it cool on the side. Now, time for the mushrooms. In a small, heavy Dutch oven or cast iron pot, pour several inches of oil over medium to high heat. After 5 to 7 minutes, your oil should be ready. While you wait, throw a fourth of the chopped mushrooms into the energy mixture. Toss and evenly coat. If any excess moisture is seen, shake it off and transfer it to the cornstarch, gently tossing it using your hands. Throw a pinch of cornstarch to test the readiness of the oil. If it sizzles immediately, you're good to go and ready to fry. Make sure to remove excess cornstarch by shaking it off from the mushrooms. Gently lower the mushrooms into the oil using a skimmer and fry until golden brown for a maximum of 3 minutes. Once that's done, transfer the mushrooms into a paper towel to drain. Repeat the process in batches with the rest of the mushrooms. Now my favorite part, assembly of the rolls. By this time, your rice has been cooled and you may now divide it into 4 portions. Slide a sushi mat into a large Ziploc bag
or just cover it with plastic wrap. Place one sheet of nori, shiny side down, onto the mat. With some water, moisten your fingers to prevent rice from sticking to them. Then spread rice evenly over the nori sheet, leaving about an inch exposed at the top. Sprinkle with 1 tablespoon of the sesame seeds if you like. Divide your fried mushroom into 4 even portions. Using the dynamite sauce, drizzle 1 portion until it's evenly coated. Form a thin line of some of the mushrooms along the side closest to you, with the exposed end away from you, adding in a couple of slices of avocado. Now, roll the sushi away from you while gripping the mat tightly but gently. Once done rolling, seal the end with water or add a few grains of rice to the end to help seal. It's time to cut the sushi. Using a very sharp knife, cut the sushi in half, and then each half into halves, and then those halves into another half, to make a total of 8 pieces. Serve on a serving plate and top it off with some of the leftover mushrooms. Repeat the procedure to make 4 rolls, then finish with chopped scallions and extra sriracha if desired. And there you have it! An exact replica of one of Mr. Pink's favorite vegan sushi from Olives for Dinner. Good for 4 rolls. Enjoy! Number 2. Spicy Vegan Scallop Roll. I'm really a fan of spicy food, and when Mr. Pink asked me to taste one of these, wow, it blew my mind. Literally one of the best vegan sushi recipes ever. I won't make this any longer because I want you to have a taste of it as well. Here are the ingredients you will need. 3/4 cup sushi rice, soaked for 30 minutes in cold water. 1.5 cups of water. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon sugar. Half a tablespoon of salt. Plenty of oil for frying. 4 straight medium-sized king oyster mushroom stems, soaked in warm water for about an hour. 1.5 teaspoons of energy, whisked with 5 tablespoons cold water. Half a cup of cornstarch. 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs. 4 toasted nori sheets. Sesame seeds. 4 tablespoons of veggies mixed with 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon sriracha to taste. And soy sauce. As mentioned in the ingredients, you need to soak the rice for 30 minutes in cold water, and after that, rinse the rice in cold water. Then place into a rice cooker with 1.5 cups of water. Once that's done, you can now place the rice vinegar, sugar, and salt into a large glass bowl and place it in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. Transfer the cooked rice to the glass bowl and stir well. Then set aside. In a small pot, heat the oil over medium to high for about 7 minutes. To test if the oil is ready, throw a pinch of cornstarch into it. If it sizzles, you're ready to fry. Put the mushroom stems into the energy water mixture. Then roll them in the panko cornstarch mixture until well coated, and shake off any excess. Fry each piece separately for 2 minutes and place on paper towels to let it drain and cool down. Roll your sushi, spooning some of the sriracha veggies dressing in a straight line next to the mushroom. Now serve with soy sauce and garnish with vegan caviar and pea shoots or sprouts on the side if desired. But if these ingredients are not available, you can do away with this. Besides, it tastes good either way. And there you have it! 4 rolls of spicy vegan scallop rolls that you can enjoy with your vegan friends and family. Don't let meat stop you from eating your favorite sushi. How about you? What is your favorite vegan recipe? Let us know in the comments below. Always late for breakfast? Problem solved! Check out Low Carb Breakfast. 10-minute recipes what I eat for your everyday breakfast meal. Seeking for health inspiration? Feel free to visit and follow our Facebook page and Instagram account, Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, where we share motivational quotes to help people go through their fitness journey with a positive mindset. That is all for today. Don't forget to walk on your healthy lifestyle journey one step at a time. Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, your healthy lifestyle gurus, will see you in the next one. Bye!